Hi, I'm Shubh Taneja from the PGP 2024 to 26 batch at ISMS Pune, and I am excited to share that I have been placed as a Business Development Associate at House of EdTech. My journey at ISMS Pune was a great learning experience for me. When I joined, I was honestly unsure about many things: placements, interviews, and even my own confidence. The best part about ISMS was practical exposure. From presentations and live projects to mock interviews and group activities, everything helped me understand how the corporate world works. I still remember being very nervous before my placement interview, but the support from the faculty and placement team helped me stay confident and prepared. Now, I'm excited to begin my professional journey and grow in the field of EdTech. To all the future students, I would just say stay focused, keep learning, and trust the process. ISMS Pune gives you the right platform to grow and achieve your goals. Thank you, ISMS Pune, for all your support and guidance.